What's your...
Yes.
I'll tell you exactly what to do, I swear.
Yeah, okay.
Hey you guys, I have kind of a weird question. Are you guys a couple?
Yes.
Okay, I'm a photographer. This
So
is
is
kind of weird. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay, would you guys want to model for me for like 5 minutes?
Yeah.
They're free. I'll send you everything.
Yeah.
I swear. Would you actually want to?
Yeah, we can.
Oh my gosh, super real?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Thanks guys. I'm from Arizona.
We're from Ohio.
And oh my gosh, what, are you on a trip here?
Yeah.
That's
He's
so
from
fun.
Washington. He's from
Yeah, yeah.
Spokane.
Are you here for a wedding?
No. I have a wedding when I get back.
Nice.
I just came up.
Definitely. Well, yeah, no, I'm from Arizona and this is like my favorite. I have a wedding tomorrow. This is my favorite state. So I'm like, I've got to find a couple to take photos of here. So anyway, I'll make it like 5 minutes, like quick. You guys want to?
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your...
Never done a photo shoot.
Yes.
I'll tell you exactly what to do, I swear.
Okay.
And if you have any ideas, obviously we can do whatever you want. Do you have like a favorite angle of the beach? I usually shoot from like over there.
Right here.
Like right here? Okay, let's do it. Are you good if we do a couple right here and then move over there a little bit? Okay, slay. Awesome. Let me get my camera out really quick. And I'm not gonna go far from my bag if you guys wanna just like leave your stuff with it. What are your names? I didn't even get your names.
Abby.
Abby? Cal. Okay, nice to meet you guys. I'm Tori, by the way. Okay, do you have any, it's Cal?
Yep.
Is it Abby and Cal? Abby and Cal. Okay, do you have anything in your pockets?
Nope.
Okay, awesome. You guys are great. And do you have any like specific poses you want to do before I tell you what to do and get crazy? Oh, also I'm recording on my meta glasses.
Yeah,
Is that okay?
I saw.
I'm sure you saw.
Yeah, I
Okay,
saw.
cool. Okay, so that's okay with you guys? Okay, slay. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be so pretty. Can I have you guys? Are you good with movement, like running around a little bit? You are? Okay. I'm gonna have you start here. You're gonna like, you don't have to get your shoes wet. Like obviously you don't have to go like in the water. You also can take off your shoes if you want. It's up to you guys.
I'm fine with
But okay, so just like hold hands. You're gonna like run over that way, and then once you get over there, I want you to just like grab one hand and like run in a circle, like spin in a circle. Just like frolic around, you know? You get the vibe. And then if you want to like pull her in for a kiss when you're over there, you can too. Oh, this is cute. Wait, before you're gonna look at her, and then Abby, you're gonna look back at me while you run. Give me 1 second. Okay, so run just like this, then get over there, then spin, then kiss. Okay, ready, set, go. Cute. Cute, you guys. That's so cute. Wait, pull her in for a kiss right there. Oh, that's cute. Wait, do it one more time. Oh, that's stinking cute. I'm gonna get close up. Do it one more. Yes, cute. Amazing. You guys are natural. See, she knows what's up. That's so cute. Cute. Can I have you like grab her around her waist and then like whip her around in a circle, just like spin her? But her, yeah. And then Abby, you're gonna like pop a foot. Okay.
Just spin.
Yeah, you're just gonna like whip her around twice and then set her down. Cute. Yeah, that was perfect. Can I make you do it one more time?
Yeah.
You can just do like twice though and then let her down.
Okay.
I don't want her to get too dizzy.
Yeah.
That's the only reason. Okay, go for it. Yeah, cute. That was perfect. Well, you guys getting really close and I want to just get like close up. So you can just like, are you comfortable kissing in front of the camera? Okay, if you want to just like put your hand on her face type of thing, face each other, snuggle up super close. Cute. And you can like kiss her cheek, you can just talk to each other. Oh, that's cute. Gorgeous. Oh, that's cute. Wait, close your eyes and like, oh yeah, that's cute. And then Abby, will you, it's Abby, right?
Yeah.
Abby and Cal. Okay, will you like close your eyes, put your head on his chest, and then Cal, you're gonna look off that way.
Like look that way?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Kind of like close your eyes all the way. Yeah, gorgeous. Cute. Oh my gosh. Girl, your eyes are so pretty. Oh, that's so cute. Wait, look up at him and then will you put your hand on the side of her face?
Like that?
Yes, that's gorgeous. Hold that for 1 second. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then go nose to nose. And then going for a kiss. Yeah, cute. and then going for one kiss. So cute, you guys. You guys are doing amazing. Oh, go like that one more time and then go cheek to cheek and look right at me. I always forget to get smiling photos. Yes, cute. That's gorgeous. Wait, go ahead. I'll edit that out. Just pop your foot. Yeah, cute.